Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CS Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Northwest A and F University Chinese Government Scholarship for the year 2022 and 2023. So let's start. So Northwest University, you can see here, you can read this detail here, and detailed information about this scholarship is authority is Chinese Government Scholarship 2022. University name is Northwest A and F University. Agriculture and Forestry University. Okay, so student category is for master and PhD students, means Northwest A and Agriculture University. Agriculture and Forestry University means the full name of this university. This is for master and PhD candidates, and scholarship type is fully funded scholarship. Everything is free, and monthly allowance is 3,000 RMB for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, and no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. Okay, 15th of March 2022 is the last date. Okay, now eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria for Northwest A and F University? So all international students can apply. Age limit for the master is 35, and for the PhD students 40 years. Okay, you can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Okay, and applying procedure. What is the applying procedure for the Northwest A and F University CSE scholarship? First, you need to fill CSE online application form. Here is the form you need to fill, and how do you fill this form? You can watch this video. Okay, the second one is you need to fill Northwest A and F University online application form. Here is the form. So we will go to the university portal and check how to fill this form, and how the main thing is that how to choose your major. So, and these things for full video you can visit CS Guide official YouTube channel. Okay, so no application fee, no need to pay application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July. No need to send hard copies. Here we only accept, university says we only accept sorry, we only accept digital application documents. Please combine all the application documents into a single PDF file with PDF binder, and then mail it to this email address. Okay, they not demand any kind of hard copies. They just need documents in PDF file, in a single PDF file. Combine all of your documents in a PDF file and send it to this email address. Okay, so now which documents are required? So first you need to fill CSE online application form. After that, after filling CSE online application form, you need to download that form. Okay, after that you need to fill university online application form. When you fill university online application form, you need to download this form as well. So highest degree notarized copy, okay, highest transcript notarized copy, study or research plan and two recommendation letters, passport copy, and physical examination form. Okay, so research results, published thesis and certificate etc. if you have, otherwise it's not necessary. English proficiency certificate and acceptance letter. You need to have an acceptance letter from one of the professor from Northwest A and F University, and non-criminal certificate records. So for PhD it's mandatory. So for master candidates, when we will go to the form, then we will check that either it's necessary for master or not. So for PhD it's almost necessary. That how it's necessary or not, how you check, I will tell you in this video. So click here to download the official advertisement. When you click here, you can see here is the detail. Okay, so you can read this detail and all of the requirements and all these things. So here also mentioned one acceptance letter from potential supervisor. Okay, so for master it's necessary or not, when we will go to the online application form, then I'll tell you, and we will check that it's necessary or not. So other information like type A is not for if you want to apply for type A, you can consult with your Chinese embassy or from your home country embassy. Okay, so for Pakistani candidates, so it's not necessary to apply in type A, because we are our Higher Education Commission of Pakistan handle this. Okay, so now here is the major available postgraduate program for applicants of Chinese government scholarship. So discipline and majors and medium of instruction. So you can check your major. If your major is in English, then you need to apply, like College of Horticulture and Vegetable Sciences is in Chinese and English for doctoral students, Chinese for master students. Means it's different from for master and for PhD students. So you can check according to your major and according to your degree. Okay, so here's the main purpose of this is to check check this. Okay, if your major is available, then you need to go to the university online application form. Here is the click here to apply on university portal. So I already make an account for you for your people, so that's why. So it's log out automatically, so I again log in and sign in. So no, I click on online application form. When I click on online application form, here is the already application. I try to check that I want to check either acceptance letter is mandatory or not. So I delete this one because it's just for demo. So that's why I create a new application, agree and continue. Here is the two scholarship, Northwest A and F University scholarship, and in this scholarship you need to check applicants applying for APF Net scholarship, please choose the Northwest A and F University scholarship. Okay, means for APF Net scholarship is available in this university, but this is in this list some countries are available. So which countries when we will talk about Northwest A and F University APF Net scholarship, then we will discuss in that video. Okay, so now we discuss Chinese government scholarship. After selecting that, we need to select doctoral candidate, but it's for doctoral candidate acceptance letter is mandatory, but we need to click on master candidate. So when I click on that, you can see agricultural engineering, biology, food sciences and these kind of things. So I want to check the major is English and try to find out. So here is the 5 to 6 majors. Okay, forestry, agriculture, management, agronomy and seed industry, horticulture, grassland science, resources utilization and plant protection. Okay, these are the majors which are available in English. Okay, so we will check that for College of Pharmacist. No, it's in Chinese, not in English. Okay, so I click on food sciences and engineering, and we either want to check that either it's available in English or not. So I click on English. So in that way you can check your major in English. For how to, I click on apply because just want to see just want to check that either acceptance letter is mandatory for master's candidates or not. So I click on and go back and just want to check that either acceptance letter is mandatory or not. So here is the form, the passport copy, photo and previous stage of graduation certificate, previous transcript, recommendation letter, study plan, physical examination form, motivate mentor to receive acceptance letter. Means acceptance letter is also mandatory for master candidate as well in this university. So for PhD and for master candidate both must have acceptance letter. So if you have acceptance letter to apply, otherwise leave it blank. Maybe you need to fill this if you still have any confusion. So you the main thing is that first you fill this portion, and after that you need to go to this portal, this option, because I try to go to the second part because until it's not be forward to the next step, because I not fill this form. So if you either want to confirm that acceptance letter is mandatory for not or not, so you need to go fill this form and go to that portion. So hope so it's mandatory for master students as well, because it's clearly mentioned on the university advertisement and scholarship advertisement that you must have acceptance letter from potential supervisor. So hope so if you have acceptance letter, so maybe you have high chances for the scholarship. So hope so this video is very beneficial for you. So good luck and take care of yourself. If you have any question regarding CSE scholarship, regarding any other scholarships in China for China, so you can you must comment in this video in the comment box. Good luck and take care of yourself.